Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to create an automated email response for form submissions so you can automatically send your visitors an email when they submit a form on your Wix site. Just a quick heads up, for automations to be sent successfully, your form must contain a field that matches the action you wish to automate. For example, if you want to send an automated email, your form needs to have an email field. And with that out of the way, let's learn how to do it. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and go to Automations. Click on Create Automation, and then select Start from Scratch. So this is the automation editor, and this is where you can build any automation you want. First, you have to rename your automation on this field so that you can easily identify it on your automations dashboard. Next, select your trigger. The trigger is what initiates the automation. In this case, we'll look for Form Submitted. Now, click on the blinking plus button and then select Action. On the left, select Send an email as your action. Once our action's been selected, we're going to need to configure its settings here on the left panel. So make sure to set up your sender details and make sure to also edit your content email. Click on Edit here, and you'll enter the email editor. So go ahead and edit the contents of your email. Apart from editing the contents of your email, you can further add elements here from the left, and you can even design it if you want to by going to Themes and Background. Once you're done working on your email, go ahead and preview and test it first, and once it's all good, click on Save and Continue to go back to the Automations editor. So now that we've set our email, it's time to set the recipients as well as the other info over here. So for email attachments and email type, go ahead and set it up according to your needs and preferences. For email type, promotional is usually the best since you need to be very careful when selecting an email type because there are certain rules and regulations. And finally, set your recipients. Make sure that the recipients you select here are the emails from your trigger. Once you're done, review all of your inputs and settings here on the left panel, and once they're all good, click on Apply. Then click on Activate to start running your automation. And now, every time a site visitor submits a form, they'll automatically receive your email. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.